So today I wanted to give an introduction, a short demo of a system, which is basically a delivery system where you can order food, you can order medicines, you can order flowers, different basically modules. So today we'll go through the driver part of the system along with the admin panel. So let me just sign in. So basically these are the orders which are currently assigned to the driver. So let me just go to business operations. Here you can see that there is no active deliveryman right now. So I can turn it on, and while using the app, we make it allowed all the time. We go back, we turn it on, and then you can see that basically now one driver is online. So basically pretty much real time, and it's also updated to like show my location. Let me just set up a fake GPS. So yeah, it got updated. Now I am in another location basically, which is Bahrain. Let's just go back, because basically the system is Bahrain based and the stores from which I'll be ordering are from Bahrain. So let's just quickly make some orders. uh, Let me just expand it. If we go to create driver request, create a store, we set an address, it all gets auto-filled. Submit it. Quick, please. So we place the driver request. Now it will basically start the searching, and you can see I get a notification in real time. Upon clicking on it, I'm redirected to the offer, which I can accept or not. And should I choose to accept it, basically now it's uh, assigned to me. So if I view all, basically order number 40 is the latest one, and then I can go. This is basically ready. So let me just show you how WebSockets are basically working. So if I go to this order, and if I basically like change, it's in the ready status, right? So if I like changed it to picked up, confirm it, and then you can see like in real time this gets updated and the order is now picked up. So I can like complete the delivery from camera while using the app. Now I can like complete with delivery proof, which is not quite uh, accurate. So let me just complete it, and the order is completed, and it got updated. Now I can even like go to the customer's WhatsApp if I have like some questions, some queries. And let me just go back. So that is pretty much the flow. It also has like real-time chat. So if I go to chat here, this is basically using WebSockets, that's why it shows connected. If I write a message, hi, it first shows that sign that it has gone from our side but not received from the server end. But after that sign is removed and you get the timing, that's basically the acknowledgement that the server has sent the event. So I don't have the store app right now running, otherwise I'd show you how the other side also responds to this. So we can also like go to the directions, where basically uh, Google Map assigns you the location and like shows you the distance. And another thing is basically this is basically the same thing. So if we go to offers, we can also open the map like offer location. So what it does is basically open this map in the app which shows all three locations. For example, where the driver is, where the customer is, and where the store is. Furthermore, we have like profile. This is getting quite long, but like dark mode. There's a whole wallet system. You can like get the earnings, withdrawals, deposits, basically a full cash flow system. You can request withdrawals, so basically you can request your earnings. There's basically a whole wallet. There are withdrawal methods, that basically where you add your account, IBAN, and bank name. Then these are used in the wallet when you request a withdrawal. So basically you choose the account, you choose the amount, you submit a request, it gets approved from the admin. So you can also like pay to the admin. This is currently dummy invoices, but this is basically controlled from the settings where uh, business settings are configured, and that same settings and account number is reflected here. You have to upload a payment proof which the admin will then review before submitting. So there's quite a lot to the system, but overall I think you get the point. So basically this is the cash in hand, how much cash the driver is currently carrying, and this is the total balance, which is calculated on how much. Basically negative means that the driver now has to pay. Positive means that he has earned. So yeah, quite uh, in-depth things, but I hope you get the point. And also there are like notifications. So the video got quite long, and see you next time.